Hi guys, in this session we are going to know about drivers installed in our system. I will show you a single command to know what are the drivers installed in our system, drive wise or disk wise. So here I am going to explain the drivers installed in our system using the command prompt only, because as it is fast, instead of going to computer and we are seeing what are the drivers installed in our system. So the command is driver query. So as we know that all the Windows OS will be installed in the C drive itself, so it will show all the drivers installed in the C drive. So I am going to C drive and I am using the same command driver query. See what will happen. So these are the list of drivers installed. So apart from this, there is another use. If we are going to D drive and if we are seeing again the same command, so we can see the list of drivers installed, associated with only D drive. So this is somewhat useful than going to Windows and searching what is the drivers associated with it. See this one. So the both drivers will not be the same. They will be different. Thank you.